Okay, we have the replacement IC that we're going to install right here. The AD654J Voltage to Frequency Converter. I'm going to set an anchor point right here. That'll get us started. Don't install it backwards, people. I'll try not to. That look good? Okay, that's good. Let's start on the easy side first, the side closest to me. Okay, now for the other side. There we go. Now I'll move the camera back and fire up the oscilloscope and we'll see what we got. Now the old IC would not oscillate. But hopefully this new IC will be good. Let me clean up my work and we'll fire it up and see what we get. Okay, let's see what we got now. Taking 24 volt ground, applying it to X5 pin 2 and plus 24 to pin 1 of X5. Alright, come here, scope. Let me get on ground. You know what, let me go to the output side of the optocoupler. Let's see what we got. Hey, look at that. It's working. Oh, that's the input to the Schmitt trigger inverter. Let me go to the output. Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. All right, good job, y'all. You've resurrected another one from the dead. Oh, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, let's get close to that oscilloscope so you can get a better look at those waveforms. Okay, here's the input, pin 1, and that's the input to the Schmitt trigger inverter. Now we're going to look at pin 2, the output of the Schmitt trigger inverter. Look how nice and clean that is compared to the input side. Wonderful. Ah, wonderful. We can put this one back together and let her do a little bit more work at the factory. Okay, let me power down. We'll call it a day. Good job, folks. That's a good job. We'll see you in the next one.